Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2025 GMC Acadia? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box contains fuses and relays that safeguard vital vehicle systems such as the engine, cooling, and lighting. It prevents electrical overloads and short circuits for reliable operation. Instrument panel fuse box. The instrument panel fuse box protects interior electrical components like the infotainment system, power outlets, and dashboard controls. It ensures safe operation by preventing damage from electrical surges or short circuits. Luggage compartment fuse box. The luggage compartment fuse box powers and protects rear electrical features such as taillights, power liftgate, and rear climate systems. It prevents overloads and maintains safe, consistent performance of rear vehicle functions. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.